how to fix the app permission denied error on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S24, or the S23. So here you can see when I try to use location, it keeps saying app permission denied. So let's see how you can fix it. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And from the home screen, open up your Maps application. So here I will go into Google and then tap on Maps. And from here, we can see that if I try to pinpoint my location, it will show app permission denied. So here we're going to tap on settings. This will open up settings for maps. And from here, tap on permissions. Then what you want to do is go down and tap on location. And from here, you can choose allow all the time or allow only while using this app. And then tap on the back key, then tap on the back key again, then tap on the back key again. Okay, so after that, you can tap on the location button, and then here it said you need to turn on. So tap on the turn on button, and after that, try it again. Tap on the location button, and it said that your compact accuracy is quite low, so I need to tilt and move the device in that direction, like a figure 8. Okay, so I've done that, and here now I can pinpoint my location. Okay, so you can also simply swipe down at the top like that and tap on settings. In settings, go into location, and from here, tap on map or tap on app permissions, and then scroll down and look for the maps application. So in here, tap on maps, and then in here you can choose allow only while using the app. So different ways to get to this same settings menu. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it helps. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.